Harnessing the power of the wind has never been more efficient and cost-effective. T-Omega Wind is revolutionizing offshore wind energy with its groundbreaking pyramid-shaped floating turbines, designed to slash production, installation, and maintenance costs. Traditionally, offshore wind turbines rely on large central supports inherited from land-based installations. However, T-Omega's innovative design eliminates the need for these massive structures. By replacing the single-leg rotating generators with a double-ended axle supported at both ends and introducing 4 diagonal legs forming a pyramid, the T-Omega turbine is anchored to the seabed with minimal sag. This design allows the entire structure to float effortlessly, constantly aligning with the wind for optimal power generation. The benefits are extraordinary. Lower initial costs are achieved through a significant reduction in materials, straightforward fabrication, and deployment without specialized equipment. The wind turbine is so user-friendly that it can be easily towed back to the dock for servicing, making installation and removal a breeze. After rigorous testing in a wave tank, including a 1/60th scale model withstanding 30-meter waves, T-Omega Wind progressed to a 1/16th scale prototype. The full-scale 10-megawatt turbine boasts a 198-meter-long rotor with variable pitch blades, perched atop a 119-meter-tall pyramid with 70-meter sides. T-Omega estimates the total system weight to be between 1,200 and 1,800 metric tons. Britta Formato, CEO of T-Omega Wind, emphasizes the significance of floating wind power, stating, "Our technology provides significant cost savings in both manufacturing and installation, maintenance, making floating offshore wind a critical energy source for achieving multiple 2030 goals." Join us on this journey toward a sustainable and cost-effective future with T-Omega Pyramid Floating Turbines, changing the game in wind energy.